Hello and welcome to AMP Futures video featuring Pro Trader MC, PTMC trading platform. Once you've gone to our free demo page to download, you'll put your information in, including your email address, and you're going to be sent 2 emails. The first email that you're going to be sent is going to thank you for registering, and you'll be invited to join their online community. And the next email is going to give you your username and password as well from CQG. There's the username and password. You'll then be directed to a page to download the platform. Once that platform is downloaded, you'll see the icon on your desktop, and on that icon you'll be able to put in your demo username and password. I click Save the Password so that it'll remember. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you'll see at the bottom, make sure that you're connected to CQG Demo. And then create a demo account if you need to do so. Alright, as you can see, we've been logged into the platform. Very basic setup. But some of the features here, I'm sure that most of you are familiar with. You've got your watch list, you've got a chart major in the middle, and you've also got your position window as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at the watch list. Okay, on the watch list you're going to hit the plus button. And this is where we're going to add our contracts. So with CQG, a lot of you are familiar with the symbols. So we're going to go ahead and put in EPH7. When we hit the drop down, you're going to see there's the E-mini S&P for March. Over here, just hit the drop down so the arrow faces down and it'll show you last bid, ask, and the daily volume. Okay, let's add another symbol in there. We're going to hit the plus button. This time we're going to add in the Dow Futures, YMH. It's very intuitive, so it knows what you're looking for. YMH7, we're going to go ahead and click on that and hit Add 1. Let's go ahead and add a couple more so that we know how to do it. We're going to add the crude oil, CLE, in this case J, April. We know that the April is coming up, so we're going to hit the drop down here and hit add. And you see we're slowly building our watch list. So we're going to add one more, which is a gold contract. So we're going to go GCEJ, hit the drop down, and we should see April right there. Okay, so that's for example, we've got these 4 major contracts showing now. In the event that you want to switch the chart from, let's say, crude oil April over to the E-mini S&P, simply drag from the watch list, put on the chart, and that will bring it up for you. Okay? Now, let's take a look at a couple of the buttons at the top here. Environment will show you your connection, change password to that online community, workspaces that you have saved, open a new workspace, load a current workspace or existing workspace, or save your workspace as in general settings. Next thing we have is the terminal. So we've got our charts, watch list, market depth, time and sales, order entry, and so forth. On your account, you'll be able to go into and see your account details, what your balance is, and so forth. Okay? Also, once you click on that, if you go to where the quotes were, you'll also be able to get in-depth details of the markets that you're looking at. Okay? The symbol, type of instrument, last trading day, full symbol as well, what days and times it's open, current session, tick value, and all the necessary information. Okay? Go back to terminal, click on watch list, and it'll take us back to our watch list. Okay? So those are the buttons at the top. You can install plugins, third-party software, and things like that into this platform as well. Okay, let's jump over to the chart. You'll notice on the chart, it's Candlestick. but you can certainly change that. We can go to a bar chart, you can go to a line chart, or what have you. You can see all those things listed here. You can change the look back of the charts, 3 days. I've got it on a 1-day chart. Okay. You can also change the time frame of the chart, whether you want it to be a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, or what have you. One of the other great features about this chart is if you set custom aggregation type, you can click there. You can change it to a tick chart, price range, Renko, point and figure, and one of our favorites, market profile. Putting it on a 1-day chart, change the value to 15 minutes and click apply, and that will pull up the profile for you. You can certainly go to full screen mode in the corner of the chart so that you can see everything. If you right click on the chart and go to settings under the market profile, this is going to allow you to point a control marker. We can make it a line. You can customize it, make it a single color, make it up and down profile, volume price, volume bars. Okay, and if you click apply and hit close, you'll see that those changes are in place. Simply use the scroll button to go back, and you can see all the profiles as the market has been rallying up. You can see where everything is. Point of control prices are going to be their daily range where most of the trading took place will be identified as well. Go ahead and click on the button at the top, and that's going to bring you to the chart trade if you want, or you can go and exit full screen. Okay, so we're going to exit the full screen, and we're going to go back here, and we're going to just go back to a regular time chart and click apply. Okay, so that's going to take us back to our regular chart. It's on a bar chart. We're going to go back and change it to a candlestick chart. Okay, now in the corner here, you can see, like we showed before, the chart trader. Okay, there's a chart trader, so you can sell, ask, sell bid, sell market, buy ask, buy bid. Okay, if you right click on the chart again and go back to settings, this will allow you to do chart order entry on the chart, but also allows you to put hot buttons in as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add the close button, reverse button, cancel buys, cancel sells, and cancel all working orders. We're going to go ahead and hit apply on that. And as you can see, you can save the layout. Once you've saved the layout, you look on the chart here and you'll see those things are in place. Okay, so now if I decide that I'm going to go ahead and I want to join the offer, make sure that my contract is at 1, and I'm going to go ahead, sell ask. Okay, do you want to sell 1 at the limit? I'm going to click yes. Okay, I'm working the order right now. It's not filled yet. If I wanted to sell market, I could jump in there and just hit sell market. You can put not to show this box again. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. And as you can see at the bottom here, that we are short 1 contract, 23.57.75. Current price is 23.58 even. It'll show us that we're down a tick. But if you want to change that, you can certainly change that to dollar value or what have you. And here's the open P&L right here as well. Okay, minus 12.50 corresponds to minus 1 tick, minus $25, minus 2 ticks. Okay, so that's using the chart trading function of this. If I want to reverse my position, now that I have a live trade on, I can reverse the position, close the position, cancel sell, cancel all. Okay, I can hold down the shift button and move the chart around by holding the cursor as well. Okay, if I click down here, right click, close position, and I can put close all positions, and it's going to have you confirm yes. So I close the position, and I'm going to close this window out. All right, let's jump up back here to the terminal button. We're going to jump down here. We can pull up a time and sales window. Okay, we've got a time and sales for the crude oil. Let's go ahead and change that to the EPH7. Click enter, and now we'll get the time and sales in for the S&P. As that information comes through, it'll start to populate this list all the way down with time and sales. Okay? All the thing that we can do from the terminal, click on the terminal, we want to go ahead and pull up the matrix. Okay, this is their version of the DOM. As you can see, the same buttons are in place. I'm going to go to settings. Okay, and you can go to the trading tab. Again, we want to add our close button, reverse button, cancel buy, cancel sell, cancel all. We want to apply that there as well, and then hit close. Okay, now when you go to trade on the DOM, or as they call it, the matrix, okay, you want to go to this button right here called mouse trading. Click on the mouse trading, and now you'll see that I can access the execution functions. So if I'm on the sell side and I want to place a sell order, I can do that. If I'm on the buy side and I want to place a buy order, I can do that as well. Okay, so we sold one at the market, 54.01. We've got a buy limit down here. Now to place a buy stop above the market, hold down the shift button and you'll see the word stop appears. So we're short one. We're going to go up here to 09, and I've just placed a buy stop above the market. So I've got my position, I'm short. I'm trying to buy it back here, and I've got a stop order there. Okay, if I want to hit cancel all my buys, reverse, or cancel all and flatten out, I can do that as well. Okay, and I can jump down to flatten the position out. I can see the P&L by currencies, by ticks, or what have you. Okay, now hitting the close button again will flatten us out. So you've got close button, cancel all buys, sells, cancel all working orders, and the close button. Okay, so again, let's go ahead and place a trade again. I've got, make sure you use the mouse click. Okay, mouse trading. So here, if I want a stop order above the market, I'm going to hold down the shift button. So here I can use a buy stop above. So I'm not ready to buy yet. So I'm going to work to buy one at 54.05. Now I'm going to go up here and work a sell limit at 54.21. And then down below, okay, work your limit order. Cancel all working orders, and the close button will close everything out again. Okay, and that's what the mouse trading function. Okay, let's turn off the mouse trading function. You can detach from the workspace. Okay, you can certainly shrink this. Just hold the sides and drag it in, and pretty much move this to wherever you want. Let's say you wanted it on this side, you could put it on that side, leaving your time and sales window open. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other buttons that we have here. So we've got the charts. Again, you can detach the charts. Also, you'll notice that there is a mouse trading available on the chart as well. Let's go ahead and blow the chart up. As you can see, same principle. So I can work over here. Let's go ahead and buy one at the market. Click yes. Okay, so we're long one. And now I want to work a sell stop below the market. So notice that it's showing you on the mouse that you have the left click is a buy limit, right click on your mouse is a sell stop. So we're long one contract. We're going to go ahead and we're going to work a sell stop underneath the market. Sell stop one, click yes. Okay, and then we're going to go up top and we're going to work a sell limit. Click yes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let's get this back down to regular size. Exit full screen. Okay, and that'll fit it back into the workspace. So that's using the mouse click function of the chart. Okay. Taking it off of there will get you back to your regular cursor function. As you can see, you can stretch that out, holding the right axis. On the bottom axis, you can go along and take a look at each individual candle. Right-clicking on the chart as well, you can go ahead and put in your indicators. So if you want to add an indicator, there's your indicator list, moving averages and so forth, regression channels. Okay, so if I want to add a 3-line MACD signal, go ahead and click on that. Click OK. You can go in, set the parameters and so forth, change the time. Okay, and then you can set that in a sub window, or you could put it and overlay it on the chart as well. Okay, when you want to remove that, right click, go back to indicators, remove all indicators, and that'll take that out. Okay, so that's what we have as far as adding the indicators. Your drawing tools, same. You can reach them from the top of the chart or by clicking on drawing tools. You've got analysis tools as well, so you could put up a volume profile on the chart, and you could set those points of where you want to see the volume right there between these 2 points that I've set. If I move it out, it's going to change those parameters as well. Okay, it's going to show you that. So you can see where most of the volume traded in particular areas, and this ties in really well with the market profile charts as well. Again, right-clicking, going back to analysis tools, I can uncheck that. And I can right-click again, go to analysis tools, and add time and sales to my chart if I so desire. Okay? You can duplicate charts, duplicate panels, order entry. You can put market depth on the chart and so forth as well. Okay, one of the things that AMP has is the ability to trade options, buy-side options only. So this also has an options window. So if I go to the top again to where it says terminal, I want to go ahead and I want to click on the options. Let's go ahead and find that. There it is, Option Master. We're going to go and click on that. It's going to pull up a whole new field for us. And here you can see it populated with the crude oil. Okay, you've got your calls on one side, your puts on the other, what the current bids and asks are for those markets. Okay, now April crude is the front month, so you want to make sure that you can change it to April. But it'll go back and tell you that these options are about to expire worthless, and then as you go further, the options have more value. Okay, so calls and puts. As we go into March, you can see that those options have more valuation as well. Okay, you can change your contract to the E-mini S&P or whatever market you want. You can change it from 8 strikes deep to 16 strikes deep. Okay, as you see, more active as the further out that we go, since February is about to close out. So it has an option trader as well. And make sure that you know AMP only does buy-side options, okay? Okay, so now that we have shown you some of the features here, you can see here at the bottom your working orders, your filled orders, order history, any events. It tells you what orders were created and gives you a time chain and everything like that. Filled orders, working orders, positions. We're not working any positions right now. I can close out my time and sales window and bring everything back to normal. Again, if you want to add things, just go to the terminal. For instance, we can add a scalper. Okay, so this scalper allows us to go in, again, using the quick mouse button, working limit orders up top. So in this case, if I want to work a sell limit, again, I'm going to hit the right click button to work a sell limit. I'm going to hit the left click button to work a buy limit. Okay, I can hold down the shift button and I can work buy stops above the market using a left click, sell stops below the market using the right click. Okay, and the scalper allows you to play right here at the market. Okay, if you want to cancel your orders, just simple click and that will remove all working orders. Okay, now they're working currently on a bracket order function that should be coming shortly. But for now, manually push down the left click button, the shift button, and that will allow you to place your stop orders and profit targets using the mouse trading. Okay, so this is going to be a brief overview of the platform, just a way for you to get started with some of the features. When you log out, you can save your basic workspace, give it a name, and so that it comes back the same way once you have logged in. We're going to have more information on this platform in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned to that. Right now, this video is going to be for presentation to our company compliance. I want to make sure that everything on this recording on the platform is according to the rules so that they can review it. And then we'll be back with other videos and with the developers to go through how to use this exciting and robust platform, PTMC, Pro Trader, that we're bringing on board here at AMP. Thanks again for all your attention. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us, support@ampfutures.com. Also give us a call, 1-800-560-1640. Extension 1 will get you direct to our help desk. Thanks again for your attention, and happy trading.